Hello, you beautiful people. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of my future videos. We're now on to day 3 of my Looney Tunes videos. So day 1, we did a full reveal of the whole collection. I went through all the prices. I went through UK prices, euros, dollars, Australian dollars. All of the information is all in that video, so I'll leave it linked down below. Yesterday's video we tested the sponges, we also tested the large palette, the Tweety lip oil and also the brush set. Ooh, we've got things rolling about on my table. And today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be doing one eye with Bugs Bunny and one eye with TAZ's palette, which looks like this. And I'm also going to be trying both of their lip oils in today's video as well. I'm going to start with Bugs first because I feel like this is going to be the most challenging one out of the two. So this is just what Bugs palette looks like. As I say in all my videos, if you do want to get some money off the UK, US and Australian Revolution Beauty website, you can use my code Luce20. It's always in my description anyway, but it's LUCE20, so 20, and you'll get 20% off the whole Looney Tunes collection and any kind of full price item on the website. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. I believe this retails for £8. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. So I'm a little bit like, what do I do with it? The colours match Bugs Bunny like perfectly, but I'm just like, what? How do I put this on my eyes? What on earth do I do with it? So that is what Bugs look like. And then TAZ is just a very Lucy palette. First off, because it's purple, and purple is my thing, as you can tell by like my YouTube channel art. But I'm sorry, look how sexy it is. It is such a sexy palette. Oh, I can imagine me reaching for this one like nights out. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. So I think I might do like a little spot eye moment with this one. We shall soon see. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to pop on some eye base in a second, but I'm going to put on one of my lip oils. We'll go with Bugs' one, with him being palette number 1. My lips are so dry. So this is just what Bugs one looks like. So let's take some of my P. Louise base, again shade Room number 2. Let's zoom you in. So I'm going to use my trusty Peaches and Cream PC29 brush just to tap this all over. I think I'm going to go for like a green orange moment. We'll soon find out. My combinations have been very weird recently. I've not been feeling my eyeshadow game, so might as well continue it and just go on a whim. So I'm going to take a Kit Stars S32 shade brush. Oh, I'm not even in focus, which just looks like this. And I'm going to go in with the shade Park, which is this one here. Look at this green, it's actually way more pigmented than I expected it to be. Okay, quite surprised, not going to lie. And then I'm just going to take it's a fake MAC 222 brush. It hasn't got MAC wrote on it, but it just says 222, and obviously the brush was made after the MAC 222 brush, but it's just one that I got from eBay, like for probably like £1, like about 20 years ago. But I'm just going in with that fluffy brush just to blend out that green. The good thing about this palette though is that there is a white. So I'm going to go in with the shade Rabbit, which is the white in the palette. And I'm just taking an I Heart Revolution brush from a Christmas gift set, and I'm just going to take that, top off the excess, and use that to blend out the edges of this green. It'll just kind of make it a little bit more of a gradient. And then taking a Revolution brush again, just from a Christmas gift set, a pack-and-on brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Carrot, which is obviously bright orange. Just makes so much sense for Bugs Bunny. And I'm going to focus this, just lightly lift my eyeball. I'm going to focus this in this outer corner. Oh my god. Right, I'm not trying to be judgy, and like I already made like a bit of a judgment on this palette before trying it. I thought the pigmentation was going to be like meh in it, but it's actually really surprised me. It's really pigmented. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bad. I didn't think it was going to be bad. I just didn't think it was going to have like this amount of pigment. Like, this has been done really, really, really well. So I've just kind of done like a little whoosh moment. Okay, so I've cut the crease, as you can probably tell. I haven't put any of my base down yet, just because I wanted to, oh my god, I wanted to show you. I'm just dropping things all the time. What I've used that P. Louise cut carver with a P. Louise brush and just use that to carve out the crease, and I just use a little cotton bud thing to kind of clean it all up. And now I'm going to use the P. Louise and Mitchell Acid Rain in Blank Canvas. I haven't used this for so long, so we're going to be brave today. And I'm going to use that to obviously cut out that crease. That's not bad for me, I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to take whatever's left over on the orange on this brush and just blend out the edges into that base, like so. And then let's go in with some shimmers. So I want to do a green shimmer and then an orange shimmer into the, obviously the matte orange. So I'm going to go in with the lighter one here, which is called Play, and then I'm going to go in with Chewing. I'm going to try a little brush for it to see if that is easier for me to get like right in and quite precise. I'm going to use the shade Play first, and this is the Real Techniques detailer brush, like a little small one, and I'm going to pack this. That is so pretty. So that is the green goldy kind of shimmer applied, and I've done it like a little bit diagonally, ready for us to put on the orange one. So we're going in with the orange, and again just a small brush. This is just a I Heart Revolution brush, and then just applying this up here, and again going like through this diagonal and bending it into that orange. It's actually applied. That brush is not very good to pick up the colour. Let me go in with my finger. And then just taking some of the matte orange, just going to build up that outer corner again, make it a little bit more intense, do it a bit more diagonally on here as well. And yeah, just kind of perfect it to how I want it. And then I'm going to go in, I'm going to see if I can use a different brush for that. Maybe like a more packing on brush would be better. Let's try this like a little W7 pencil brush. I'm going to go in with that shimmery orange. Yeah, that picks that up so much better. And then tap that right where that matte orange ends. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I actually love how this one's turned out, and I didn't expect to like it this much, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I'm actually gonna go in with just a little bit of the orange shade on it, like a fluffy brush. It's just the same brush that I used to blend out the green, and I'm just gonna use that just to bring that matte orange just a little bit higher, because I feel like it was just a little bit too low. Yeah, it just needed to be that little bit higher. And then really for like the inner corner, the only one that we have that would be like light enough would be Lola, which is like this purpley pinky one. So let's just be brave, let's just go in with that one. And taking a Spectrum A27 brush, a little like pointy pencil brush. I'm going to pick some of that up and then pop that in the inner corner. Doesn't fully go with the look, but just so that we're using as much as possible. I'm going to pop some underneath the brow bone. So now moving on to TAZ, I'm going to pop on some of my TAZ, oh this one's the grape one, I'm going to pop on some of the TAZ lip oil. Like I said, you have to go like back and forth quite a bit, and I only have little lips, so people that have like bigger lips than me, you're going to do this quite a bit, so it's whether that annoys you or not. It doesn't really bother me all that much, to be honest. It means I get to smell it for longer, so. And then taking, of course, my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor Number 2. Same thing as the other eye. I'm going to blend it out with my Peaches and Cream PC29 brush. So, like I said, for TAZ, I'm going to do more of like a spotlight eye kind of vibe. So I'm going to take a Makeup Obsession brush that just looks like this, and I'm going to go in with the shade Temperamental, which just looks like this. So I'm just working it all through the crease at the moment. I just sort my posture out because my back is killing me. My neck, my back, I'm too old for this crack. Anyways. I'm also going to pop some of that on like the side of the fluffy brush into the inner part of the eye, and also the outer part. And I'm going to leave the middle like semi-clean. Do you know what I mean? My brother, why do I keep saying that? I said that loads in yesterday's video as well. I like pissed myself off watching my video back, like why do I keep saying that? And then taking an Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that comes in the like in the palette yeah, in the palette. I'm going to take this one here. Steel trap. And my foot's gone dead. What is this half of the video, please? These are so pigmented. Like, I'm having to tap off loads. I'm going to go in with the shade Appetite, which just looks like this. I'm sorry. Oh, who gave you permission to look this stunning? So I'm going to pop that right in the middle. It's not how I would normally do my spotlight eye, to be honest. Normally I always like leave a gap up here. But I want it to be more of like a, I don't know, a bit more of like a relaxed one, if that makes any sense. I'm going to take this shade here, which is the darkest brown in the palette. I'm just going to take the other end of that Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I'm going to put this in the outer and inner part of my eye. And this will give it a bit more depth. It'll also make that inner one pop even more. So this is where I've got up to with TAZ's eye. I've just put the same Appetite colour in my inner corner, but I've also used the shade Powerful and Appetite and like put them like back and forth, like mix them together for that middle bit. It looks a little bit unblended on camera, but it's not, so I don't know why it's doing that. But anyways, I'm just going to use a little makeup wipe to clean it up, because I feel like that'll be what kind of brings this eye like fully together. So this is what the eye makeup is looking like. It's really annoying me that this looks like it's unblended on camera when it's blended. It's frustrating me. But anyways, I'm going to pop on the rest of my base makeup and then we'll come back and I'll show you the final look. So this is the final look. I would love to know what you think down below. I'm going to tell you what's on my lips in case, not going to lie, in case I watch this video back and I want to know what's on my lips. This is what's on my lips. The Kash Beauty lip liner in Rust Nude. MAC lipstick in the shade Yash. And then the little lip gloss that I've got on is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow lip gloss. This one is Nude Illusion. I have no idea if you can actually buy this. I'm pretty sure you can't. But this was in a Revolution Pro Christmas gift. No, not a gift box. It was an advent calendar last year, I believe. But it's sexy. Sexy. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'd love to know down below, which do you prefer? Are you more TAZ? Are you more Bugs Bunny? I must admit, obviously, like TAZ is a palette that I will use more than the other one, but I'm obsessed with how my Bugs Bunny look came out. I think it's stunning. Oh, I got lipstick on too. Lovely. But yeah, I'm just really happy with how it's both turned out. I think it looks stunning. I'm really happy. I'm really excited to try Tweety and Sylvester's palette tomorrow. So it'll be like more like a pinky kind of look and then like a hot orange warm toned look, which I'm so excited to try. But this is the final look. Obsessed. Obsessed. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for the last review of the iHeart Revolution and Looney Tunes videos that I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching and for all your support, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.